Hey y'all, it's your girl Olivia Lashay, and I know it looks like I've been eating powdered donuts, but that's not the case. Today I'm going to be doing a glitter lip, and the brand that I'm using is Stay Golden Cosmetics. So let me see if I can zoom into that real quick. Stay Golden Cosmetics, and their lip kit looks like this. See if I can zoom in a little bit better. And I'm using the Stellar lip kit. Yeah, so how's y'all day been? Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all share this video with a friend who might want to put glitter on their lips, because you know glitter is everything. I don't know why you wouldn't put glitter on your lips. I actually probably wouldn't wear this on a daily basis. Not this color, not the silver glitter holographic look, but they do have several different colors like reds, blues, purples. You know, if you want to go out and you want to stand out, this would definitely be the company. The price is like maybe $18 for a kit, you know, and yeah, so let me get into it. So what you get in your package is the glitter lip kit. This is like a glue that you would put on before you put the glitter on, and then you would get the glitter. Let me try to zoom in. It's just so pretty. So I've been using it about 2-3 times already. And you also get, you know, a brush, and it's got 2 sides to it. Let me see if I can zoom that in. So clearly I've been using this a lot. And it's got a brush side and it's got a sponge side. The sponge side you would wet a little bit, and then you would apply the glitter to your lips with it. So the first thing I will do, and this goes with any of their lip kits. I might do another video so y'all can physically see how it will look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the adhesive that goes on your lips, and then it's gonna be in sections, so I can put the glitter on as I go. So I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm doing like half my lip first, half my lower lip, and I'm dipping the sponge in water, kind of tap it on the back of my hand, and then apply the glitter. Okay, so it's popping. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of my lower lip. Try to keep your mouth open as well, so your lips don't stick together. Okay, Beyonce. Okay, now that I've gotten the bottom part done, I will go ahead and start on the top. And the liner helps to make it look more clean. You know, you don't want to look real messy with this look. Keisha Kaur, I'm coming for you with your glitter. Okay. Now I gotta do the last quarter of my lips. Glitter gets everywhere, y'all, but stay golden cosmetics. They got me hooked on doing this glitter. Ooh. So yeah, this is how it looks, and then you would take the other side of the brush or applicator and just brush off the sides, kind of clean it up. I'm doing a photo shoot, so this will be like something bold that you would do for a photo shoot, but not everyday wear, you know, unless you're just that bold. You just gotta play with it. And yeah, I'm gonna have to step outside and get all this glitter off of my lips. Off of my shirt. Oh gosh. But yeah, I did an AALIYAH eye look and then paired it with this bold silver, since I'm not wearing any like silver body wear like she would wear. And like throw on these hoop earrings, of course, and the necklace and all that stuff later for the shoot. And yeah, what y'all think? Once again, it's Stay Golden Cosmetics, and it's their glitter lip kit. There's so many colors, I can't just name just, you know, one. I'll be doing other colors like gold and red. I'm gonna have to order some stuff and see what I can get. It's only $18. If y'all have any questions, feel free to contact them, because they're good at contacting you, and they're very chill. I like that company a lot. Yeah. So see if I can do a close-up, because it looks still like white. There we go. You see? Oh my gosh. Oh, if anybody knows how to get rid of these fine lines, like I have fine lines underneath my eyes and the sides, definitely comment down below. Go ahead and try to clean this up. Oh, I got more glitter on. It sucks. Okay, there we go. I had to wipe that brush off. But it cleans up pretty easily too. I think it's fabulous. It makes me want to cover myself with diamonds, you know. Yeah, so that's all I have for y'all today. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm SOOO Lashay Makeup, SOOLASHAYMAKEUP. Okay, SOOO Lashay Makeup. And I have a Snapchat, but I'm not finna post that right now. And yeah, make sure y'all share this with your friends. I hope y'all have a great day. I gotta take my hair down and you know, just get myself together for this shoot. Yeah, you know how black people do, like when they when they got a weave in their head. I mean, I only have clip-ins in my hair right now, but you know, still be, you know, after you get it washed, you shouldn't be doing this, but I don't know. I've been around too many people. Anyways, y'all have a great day.